Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter 5, arithmetic progression. We call it AP. Very interesting chapter, easy to score marks in this chapter, but you need practice. Different kind of questions are there, and questions are very interesting, you can say. Okay, so like in your childhood you must have studied that numbers are given 2, 4, 6. Fill 3 numbers. So like 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then what numbers will come here? 8, 10, 12. Fill 2 more number next. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 2 next number will be what? 14 and 16. Similarly 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 being given. 2 more new number you have to fill. Again it is what that you will see 2 you are adding everywhere. So it is what that 9 plus 2, what it is 11, 11 to 13. Okay, so this is your same. 3, 1, minus 1. Fill 2 more numbers. So you will be saying 1 minus 3. What it is your gap is what? Minus 2. You are decreasing minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2 it is what your minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Okay. So means one pattern is being followed. Okay, like that. Suppose I am saying this is 1. Then it is your 4. Then it is your 9. Then it is your 16. Fill 2 more new numbers. So you are saying what that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 5 square is 25, 6 square is 30. So means different patterns are following like that. So arithmetic progression is also a list of numbers, okay, in which each succeeding number can be obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding term. I am writing what is an AP. AP is also a list of numbers. AP is what your AP, arithmetic progression, is a list of numbers in which first term is given. First term is fixed. It is given to you. First term is fixed. It is given to you, and each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number in preceding term. Okay, like that means if a fixed term is A, your first number is A. Okay, AP is a list of number in which first term is fixed and given. Let it is your A. Okay, and each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. I am making it D. Okay, so first term is A. Second term will be obtained in the preceding, you add the fixed number. So A plus D. Then again you will be next, you are going to get add here D. A plus 2D. Then again next how you will be getting add in D here fixed number. It is your 3D, and so on. This is your a standard form of AP. This is A is called what? Your first term. A is your first term. Okay, D, which is your fixed term by adding, it is throughout same. D remains same throughout the series. Okay, and it is called what? D is called your common difference. Okay, common difference. Correct. Okay, this is very important. A is your first term, D is called common difference, and if it is an AP's surety is this, means how you can say this is an AP? D remains same. If you are saying, suppose I am saying this is your 1, then it is 5, then it is your 9, then it is your 15, then it is, means you are saying 1, 5 minus 1, 4 you are adding. Here 5 plus 4 it is what? 9. But 9 plus 4 is what? Your 13, but it is 15. So this is not an AP. This is not an AP because D is changing. Means D should remain throughout the series. Common difference should remain same throughout. Okay, if it is changing, then it is not an AP. Okay, so what is now? It is D can be, common difference can be positive, common difference can be positive, can be negative, or 0. it can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0. For example, I am giving you that is your 7, then you are saying suppose it is your 10, then 13, that it is your same. You can say 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. It's an AP. And your common difference is D is what? D you are getting second term minus first term. Or what you are saying? D how you are getting? Third term minus second term. Or if I am saying next term will be 16. Any two terms, okay, succeeding minus preceding will give you D. In this common form, you can say AK plus 1 minus AK. Means if any you are putting K is 5. Suppose I am putting K equal 5. So it will be 5 plus 1 A6 minus A5. मतलब कोई भी टर्म ले लो उसमें से उसके पिछले टर्म को माइनस करो तो वो D आएगा. And D should be same throughout the series. Okay, and D can be positive. Here D is what? 10 minus 7, 3. Okay, you can say 13 minus 10, 3. 16 minus 13, 3. Throughout the same, and it is what? Positive. I am giving you an example when it is negative. Same thing it is. Second example it is if I am saying what that you are, it is 7, then it is suppose 5, then it is what your 3, then it is what your 1, like that. Okay, so what is D here? D you will be checking how? 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 means second term minus first term. What I said, A2 will say second term minus A1 is your first term. Okay, 5 minus 7 is what your minus 2. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. If you want to know more terms, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. You can get like that. Okay, so this is what your D is negative. D is negative because I said what? D can be positive, D can be negative. But if it is an AP, D will remain throughout the same. कैसे भी check कर लो, D should remain same. Okay, means anyhow D is, again I am saying D is actually what? AK plus 1 minus AK. A shows your A1 is called first term. You can say A also. This is your first term. A2 is what? Your second term. Second term. And second term how you obtain? अगर first term में common difference add करोगे तो A2 actually क्या हो जाएगा? A plus D. ऐसे ही A3 मतलब क्या है? ये represent करेगा third term. This will represent what? Your third term. अब third term क्या है आपकी? Second term में फिर common difference add कर दो तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? A plus 2D. Like that. Okay, you are getting this is third term. And if third example I am saying AP can be, it is your, you can say 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. Okay, this is what? 2 minus 2 common difference. D is what? Your 0. Second minus 1, 0. मतलब 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Means D can be 0 also. Okay, so this is also an AP. This is also another example of AP. Okay, so now I told you what is actually an AP. A list of numbers in which what your you can get every succeeding term by adding a fixed number in the preceding term. Preceding term में अगर आप add करोगे तो you will be getting AP. So now the question comes, first you check whether this is an AP or not. And if you are given, suppose you are given A yours, suppose yours A it is given in yours, A is your 4, first term is given 4 and D is given minus 3. Find 4 next terms. Find 4 terms of an AP. This is the question. First term is what your, I said A1 is always 6, which is A. This is your first term. Second term how you are going to get? This is, इसमें fix common difference add कर दो तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 4 minus 3. It is your 1. Okay, means how I did it? A plus D. A क्या था आपका 4 और उसमें ऐड कर दिया -3 तो 1 हो गया A2. अब A3 क्या है आपका? A2 में प्लस D कर दें तो A2 हमारा क्या आ गया? 1 और प्लस D का क्या मतलब है? D minus 3 तो इट विल बी व्हाट? योर -2. करेक्ट. ऐसे ही A4 क्या हो जाएगा आपका? A4 प्रीसीडिंग टर्म क्या होगी? A3 में D ऐड कर दो तो A3 आपका ऑलरेडी आ गया -2 प्लस D मतलब -3 -5. तो आपकी 4 टर्म्स क्या आ गई? A is your 4, then it is your 1, then what is your -2, then -5. Okay, next also you can see 4. What is your common -3? 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 3 is -2, -2 minus 3, -5. These are 4 terms. Each next term how I am getting? I am adding the common difference. Okay, ओके, इन द प्रीवियस टर्म 4 में कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड किया तो सेकेंड टर्म में डी ऐड किया तो दिस वन. ओके, सो वी कैन से व्हाट दैट योर ए पी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में क्या है आपका ए प्लस डी में डी ऐड करो, ए प्लस 2d, a plus 3d, like that this will go on. So two types of AP are there, finite AP and infinite AP. Two types of AP are there. That just introduction is there. Finite AP has the last term मतलब limited terms होंगी, और infinite AP doesn't have last term, मतलब ये चलती ही जाएगी जितना भी कर लो आप. ओके, डॉट लगा दो, लाइक दिस एग्जाम्पल आई गेव यू, दिस डॉट इट इज गोइंग ऑन मीन्स इट इज इनफाइनाइट एपी. और अगर आपने फिक्स टर्म्स दे दी, सपोज 5 टर्म्स आर देयर, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड फाइनाइट एपी. ओके, सो दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ योर चैप्टर. यू प्रैक्टिस 5.1 that is totally based on this. Thank you, students.